Hey guys, welcome back to the Art Source YouTube channel. This week we'll be making little baskets out of paper plates and some construction paper. So before we get started, let's make sure we have all the supplies we need. Okay guys, so in front of me I have my paper plate, my construction paper, my pipe cleaner, some scissors, some crayons, and some glue stick. Feel free to use a liquid glue if you'd like. I will be using a glue stick at the moment. So before we get started, let's set everything aside and just stick with the scissors and the paper plate. Okay guys, so now that we have just our paper plate and our scissors, the first thing we are going to do is grab our paper plate and fold this section towards the middle. Just fold all the way down. And then grab this section and meet the end to it. Okay. Once we've done that out, we can open it up and now bring the bottom to the center as well. And meet this one up. And then we can open it up. Now that we've folded it, we can use our crayon if it's easier and make the lines of the creases of where we folded it. So it's easier to cut. Now that we have our lines, let's grab our scissors and cut just down this section. Just the edge right here. Turn it. We'll cut this section. We'll cut right here. We turn it and cut this one. Okay. We should have this section and this section lifted like that with the corners. Okay, so now that we have our paper plate cut, we can start to decorate it before we can glue it. Now for this part, we should flip it over so the design is on the outside of our basket. Okay, so let's bring our crayons back and we can decorate it however we feel like. Okay, so now that I have my paper plate all colored, I will be able to start gluing it now. We will grab the corner edge that I did not color, put glue on it. You can put glue on all of them right away if you want. Okay, so while our basket is drying off, we can bring back our scissors, our pipe cleaner, our construction paper, and our glue stick. We will start making the handle for the basket. First, we will grab our glue stick and just add a little bit of glue here, our construction paper, where our pipe cleaner is going to lie on. Then we just set it aside to let it dry off. Okay, so now that the pipe cleaner and the glue have dried off, I will grab my construction paper and cut a thin piece for the handle. Okay, so now I can bring back my basket and glue the handle directly onto it, bringing back my glue stick. You can choose to either do it from this side to this side or this side to this side. Okay, so now I will glue my handle onto my basket. And now we just wait for that to dry off. Okay, so now that the glue has dried off and your handle is good to go on your basket, this is how it looks. Feel free to fill it up with whatever you'd like, use it as a gift, or fill it with knickknacks. Thank you for watching and tune in next week for our next project.